Hello everyone, my name is Ricardo Almeida and I'm a tourist guide in a travel agency in Portugal. I just arrived from Portugal a few weeks ago and I instantaneously noticed that this is the place with most opportunities. This is the place with most chances to be successful. This is an amazing country to live, to work. But besides that preoccupations and stressful life, we need time for us. We need time to spend with our kids, with our family, with our husband, wife, people we love. And the best place for that is Portugal. Portugal offers to their tourists one of the best cuisines in the entire world, including fresh fish, seafood, salads, Mediterranean food, amazing and healthy food for us. We have some of the top 10 beaches in the entire world, including many prizes and awards from newspaper, internet websites, everywhere. We have a warm and nice weather all over the year. Our history have more than 800 years, so we have spread all over the entire country many monuments, beautiful monuments. So the next time you think in vacations, think in Portugal. So don't forget, try Portugal.